Madhusudan's son has just begun his professional journey and he wants his son to start investing. What is the best investment strategy for him is what Madhusudan wants to know.
I think the most important thing to do at this stage is to just get started and not keep waiting for a perfect financial plan. So there are broadly just two, three things that he needs to do. One is that he should invest in one or two good ELSS funds to the extent he can derive tax exemptions. Beyond that, he should look at investing in aggressive hybrid funds because these funds have a certain portion of their money invested in debt securities. They help cushion the downside at times when the markets fall, and that could be really valuable for a new investor in getting used to the ups and downs of the equity market and not exit in panic. Other than that, I believe he should buy a health insurance plan if he already does not have one, and he should buy a term insurance the day he has financial dependence. Beyond that, he should also look to build a certain buffer, a certain contingency fund for himself over the next few months. And I presume he may not have too many financial liabilities on him at the moment. So even keeping buffers for the expenses for say the next 3 to 6 months should be a good enough contingency reserve. And this he can continue to maintain in his bank account for now. Now, once he's done all this, he should focus on just being at it and keep investing for the next 2 3 years at the very least, without thinking too much about the ups and downs of the equity market or getting too unnerved by sharp market falls, which may happen anytime during this while. And it's after 2 3 years when he's familiarized himself a little bit more with investing, is when he should consider building a more nuanced financial plan for himself. So I would advise that at this stage the most important thing is to get started, because otherwise there are a lot of temptations to spend your earnings at the start with the newfound freedom.